Welcome guys to another video. Today is an interesting day. Today is basically we're getting ready for Father's Day, working and doing stuff around the house, and we got our meat marinated. We're gonna do some barbecue tomorrow on Father's Day. Look at this day. Look at beautiful day. Oh, what is that?
Hen.
What are you doing here? Let's see.
Giving her massage.
Oh, that's the one of the prisoners, right?
Yeah. She's good. It's just she wants.
Yeah, she's nice. Look, see, she's not like, she's been in the prison for about 3 days now, and she's a normal chicken now. She's really nice.
Make a thumbnail.
Thumbnail? Yeah, we always make thumbnails with random. So just let her roam around, and then we'll put her in with the other chickens later tonight. See, she's gonna try to find. Yeah, she's right there. She's like, I ain't leaving that food right there.
The point of view of the chickens are like.
I know, because they're hot, dude. Those guys underneath the car. Look. Go
Yeah,
over there.
go
Look. Yeah, carefully, but don't. Right there. Stop. Yeah, see that?
You can't see them.
It's probably like 10 degrees cooler, you know.
Look. See, look at the beaks.
Don't scare them. They're all by the water. They're hungry. And not hungry, but thirsty.
And they make drama.
Okay, you guys. You can see me in the camera? Look. Hold on, let me fix my short. 105-pound loss. 105. Look, on the side. 105. Still have a lot to go. Probably another 80, 70, 80, you know. But I'm doing it, and it's working. If you need some help, let me know. It's just regular diet. I'm not doing anything crazy special. Nothing, you know. I did not work out. I lost 105 pounds. I did not work out even once. So imagine if I was working out, I'll probably be, you know, back to my gym days. But all good with help of people and you know, dieting and, you know, cutting sugar out, and 105 pounds. That's amazing. I feel way different right now. I look different, no?
Yeah.
Or I'm just doing it for fun, like people say on haters. They say I'm doing it for fun, like, oh, and you don't know nothing about cars.
Shout out to K-Fed that commented on a video. We don't care.
There you go. What's that?
Nothing.
Okay, so Noah's helping me today, right? Noah, let's go inside. Let's go work. Come on, let's go. I'll follow you. I'll do a point of view on you. Point of view, bro.
Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, that's another Christmas shirt. Yesterday you had that
Christmas,
one. Oh, meowy Christmas. Hey.
Knock the doors of the
Yes, Subi. So right now I'm gonna do this. I already took off the bolt. This is the one that has wrecked side. These doors are coming
right?
off. Yeah.
Oh yeah, redetail.
Not yet. I didn't clean it all the way, but it's super clean. Look, I put the mats in, Noah. Look, see the mats? They got dry. I put them in, vacuumed everything. Oh, did not vacuum here. I done screwed up, bro. There's some dust in there. So here.
For a speed clean, this is very good.
Yeah. Yeah, we speed cleaned it.
Yeah. Bro.
So let's do it right here.
I can't get a good angle.
These bolts will come out. I would like to take the other ones off over there because of the fender. I don't want to take the fender off, and I don't want to mess around with it. So I'm just gonna. I have two door. I have a lot of doors, but I have two doors that are bi-color. They're red. The VIN is just not gonna match on the door panel, but you know, it doesn't matter. We don't have inspections here, so we can just flop them out. So we'll take this off. So this one was coming out, this one, and then this one, and then two more on the bottom, and plug, the rubber plug, and that's gonna be it for this. Oh, my ratcheting one is gone right here. This is the regular one. Now I have to suffer and do it like this, do this manual labor, slave labor, because my ratcheting one is gone. People use my tools and didn't put it back, and now it's missing. So what I have to do now is just suffer with this little, yeah, good thing I still have this one. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Make sure that when you use tools in the shop, somebody's shop, you know, anywhere you go, please put tools back, you know, where they belong, so that way you don't have loss of tools. This look still has this little thing on there, little glue. Okay, this is the one that's coming out. This is the final one. So you're gonna go and help me. You're gonna hold this door. Let's see what we got here. Don't show the whole Shazam thing here. Okay, look, we have a red door right there. So,
and then the back door.
rear.
We got everything here.
Okay, so I'll take this one out.
Okay. And look how much doors we have.
Well, we got a lot, yeah. Here's this one. Hold this one, buddy. So we got this door. Then we need this door. The one with the mirror and everything. I'm gonna just take it. You guys, I just ate, I can't breathe. I ate 5 corns
And
on the cob with a little bit of butter and salt. And what? And what did I have to drink?
Pachico way.
Pachico mineral water.
Hibiscus way.
We're gonna grab this door right here. We're gonna grab this door.
I didn't fall. I touched it.
Dude, this cameraman, dude. Yeah. It must be the retainer, you know. So we're gonna grab that door there. And then we're gonna grab this door right here. Let's go inside. Yeah, so right now we got the front door from the outside. Now I'm bolting it on. Again, manual labor, which sucks, but I'm gonna tie this one up. This is
Where's the hole, dude? Can't even see. Oh, it's got the plastic. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, because that's a good thing too. Take off these doors. It's good to take them off like that with the plug still on. Some people cut it, but it's good to take off so you can just snap it right in, you know, like it doesn't. All you do is just literally push it in. And it goes through if I can get it through here. Come on now, right there. There we go. So that way we can have power in the window and the air. There we go. This will go on top of it, like so. And this will click right in here, like so. That's it. That's in. Now we have to. I'll have to tighten it up, and that's it. We'll go on to the next one.
we did the doors, we put them on. I didn't film a lot of process, but they're dirty. We put them on, but this one is touching a little bit. Since the hit was on the bottom, swipe down, we're gonna go and this one closes and opens. It's good, but it's touching, so this has to come out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it to the frame guy, and I think about 2 hours of work, he'll get it done for me and adjust it. And it's all by color, so it's gonna be good to go. And I'll give him a new fender, maybe like a black one or a red one, and he'll just adjust it and, you know, get it done for me. If you want to show it now, this just the fender right there, just like that. Right here, the fender on the bottom. See that? So the doors that we carried, they're here. He's earning some money today. We got to do one side. That's it. I'm gonna get ready for barbecue for Father's Day. Again, you guys, tomorrow. Again, you guys, we wish you happy Father's Day. We're gonna finish up here, clean up, and go hang out, finish this job, and you know, have a good time tomorrow. Go to church. Praise God for everything. That's it.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you guys have a good Father's Day weekend. Spend time with your kids, have fun. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you in the next vlog. God bless.